Yes, student, here are few questions from NCERT book, that is exercise. First one, why sodium and potassium, okay, use for photoelectric cell, but lithium, okay, are not used to prepare photoelectric cell. Student, very first you should know what are photoelectric cell. So you know from the structure of atom chapter, the photoelectric effect, it is the emission or ejection of electron when the radiation of certain frequency strikes the metal surface. So the electrons are emitted from the metal surface. Student, for the ejection of electron, it is necessary that its ionization enthalpy should be very low. You know that lithium is being the first element of first group, and therefore its ionization enthalpy is very high. Therefore the radiation have no capacity that it can eject electron, while in case of sodium and potassium, their ionization enthalpy are comparatively very low, and therefore these are used to prepare photoelectric cell. Next one is, why is KO2 paramagnetic in nature? Student, this is potassium superoxide. KO2 is called what? Superoxide. Here, actually O2 is in the form of O2 anion. O2 anion. So if we draw the molecular orbital diagram of O2 anion, there will be one unpaired electron present in the anti-bonding molecular orbital, and due to presence of one unpaired electron, it shows paramagnetic behavior. Next one, why Li2CO3, that is lithium carbonate, decomposes at lower temperature, while Na2CO3 require what? High temperature. Student, again, the decomposition depends on the thermal stability. Thermal stability depends on lattice enthalpy. And the lattice enthalpy have some factors I told you earlier. Like here, in case of Li2CO3, the size of Li is smaller, while the size of CO3 is bigger. So if the sizes are of differ, then there will be lower lattice enthalpy. So being its lattice enthalpy is lower, and after decomposition it forms Li2O. So now the Li2O lattice enthalpy becomes very high, that is becomes what? More stable, and therefore Li2CO3 very easily decomposes. While in the case of Na2CO3, now the sodium is bigger in size, carbonate is also bigger in size, and therefore what? Therefore it requires high temperature for decomposition due to more thermal stability due to higher lattice enthalpy. Next one, what happens when chlorine reacts with slacked lime? Okay, slacked lime, that is called what? CaOH twice, or you can also call it lime water. So reaction of chlorine Cl2 with slacked lime, that is CaOH twice. Okay, so when chlorine reacts with slacked lime, simply it forms CaOClCl plus H2O. This compound is known as bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is one of the very important compound which is used as disinfectant. Okay, therefore it becomes the method of preparation of bleaching powder. Next one, magnesium is bond in air. Okay, student, in this reaction we have to write two equations, one for oxygen and one for nitrogen. It is because magnesium is able to react with oxygen as well as what? Nitrogen. So we have to write two reactions. When Mg reacts with O2, simply it forms MgO. You can balance the reaction. But when magnesium reacts with the nitrogen present in atmosphere, it forms Mg3N2. You can write it 3Mg plus N2, Mg3N2. That is magnesium nitride. So in this way, you can solve some questions. Okay, student, you do pick up many more questions from the NCERT in text, examples, as well as exercise. Many questions I have already described you and explained you, okay, during the classes, that is in the video, and the notes are also available. However, I am also picking some questions, but you have to write all the questions, okay, and their answers in your main notebook, chemistry notebook, so that it your preparation will be very nice for incoming third internal assessment.